content based problem today. Like this is a somewhat interesting question, so I choose this question over the geeks for geeks. Guys, so sort colors given a nums with n objects colored red, white, or blue. Sort them in place so that the objects of same colors are adjacent with the colors in the order red, white, blue. We will use an integer 0, 1 to represent the colors red and white and blue respectively. You must solve this problem without using library sort function. We have to not use to supposed to use this function sort function here. So guys, here without using sort function we can do this problem, because here n length is up to 300 only, uh, guys here. But this problem most optimal method we can solve this problem in and could you come with in one pass algorithm using only constant extra space. Here guys, constant extra space means this problem we can do it in o of 1 space complexity. Here o of 1 space complexity. Here what I am doing is, uh, guys, we can do it problem using three loops. We are counting each time how many number of twos, how many number of ones, how many number of zeros, like that also we can do. But there is a one algorithm we can do this problem in only one for loop, most optimized approach. This the time complexity is o of 1 only and space complexity is o of 1. Guys, here most optimal approach is we are find this algorithm is called Dutch national flag algorithm. Dutch national flag algorithm. Guys, in this why in this algorithm what they are saying totally is keep pushing the zeros to the end. Zeros, keep pushing zeros to the left and keep pushing twos to the right, and keep the one in middle, and keep the one in middle. Okay guys, now here what I am actually saying is, here let's take this test case, 202 double 10, 202 guys. Here what I am taking three pointers. So one pointer is for zero pointer, one pointer is for one pointer is for second pointer, to a two pointer. Let's suppose it is belongs to 0, it is belongs to 1, it is belongs to 2. So guys, here what I am doing is I am swapping. If 0 is come, I am swapping with 0 is come, I am swapping with the 0 pointer. If 1 is come, I am just ignoring that. If it is high is come, if 2 is come, I am swapping with the 1. If 2 is come, if it is a 2, then I have to swap that with 2 pointer. So it is always at the end, right side, it is always at the left side, it is always at the middle side. Guys, here for suppose, let's take this test case. Here 0 pointer, 0 is initially 0 and mid is also initially 0. Mid is here means one pointer is also at 0. We are dealing with one pointer, and 2 is at here. If it is 2, if it is 2, if it is 2, here what I am doing is uh, I am swapping this with 2. So now I got 0 0 2 1 1 2. I am swapping with this, and just I am decrementing this 2 minus 1. So two pointer pointing to this, and mid pointer here only, because maybe if it is here 1, then also we have to swap. Then also if it is 0, it is, if it is 0, if it is 1, if it is 0, then again we have to put it to the low side. So Again I have to swap. For suppose what I am saying actually saying is, uh, for suppose 0 comma 0 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2, right? It's there, right? So for suppose if it is here 1, if it is here 1, and guys here if it is here 0 is 1, uh, if it is sorry, here if it is, suppose we are at here, uh, let's take this test case. 1 0 1 2 1 2 1 1 uh, 0. So we have to swap this with 2 with end. We have to swap with 1 with mid pointer. Mid pointer is essentially here only. So when we are swapping these two, 1 0, it become 1 1 2. Again we have to swap with the low pointer. Low pointer is this side, right? So we can come this 0 1 1 1 2 like that. So what I am saying is, ones are always at the middle, zeros are always at the left sides, twos are always at the end side. Guys, you will understand this problem by the I will do the code. So guys here, so 1 point 0 pointer, it is 0 left. 0 is always at the left, initially it is left. And 1 mid, 1 is always at the mid. So 1 mid, I'm also taking it as 0. Why I'm taking, why I'm not taking 1 mid at mid 0? So guys, if we are here, what I'm doing is, we are dividing the array into three parts. We are dividing the array into three parts. uh, 0 to mid minus 1, and mid to high minus high, and high plus 1 to n. So guys here, this part is unsorted, this is sorted, this is sorted. If these two parts are sorted, then middle part is automatically sorted, right? So we are dividing, we are just initially 0, it is at 0, it is at mid, and this part is unsorted. We are making this unsorted part to sorted part. So, and to end, 2 is at end, right? 2 is at end. Okay, now guys, while one mid is less than, guys here it is end. So nums dot size minus 1. Okay guys, here 1 mid is less than or equal to 2 end. If it is less than or equal to 2 end, then what I am doing is, if nums of, we are dealing with one mid only. Why? Because we have to always check with mid pointer. We have to, if it is 0, if it is 1, we have to just ignore. We can just move like we just move our wing front side. If it is if it is 0, we have to swap with the left side. If it is 1, we have to swap with end side. But small changes are here. If it is 1 mid is equal to 0, then we have to swap with the left side. 0 and right, 0 left. 0 is always at the left. So swap nums of 1 mid with nums of 0 left. 1 mid with the nums of 0 left. Okay guys, else that particular else if nums of 1 mid is equal to 1, just here guys, we have to move front side. One move, 1 mid, just I am increasing that. 0 left also I am increasing. Okay, 1 mid is equal to 1. Then what I am doing is, I am just increasing that value. 1 mid plus plus. Else, yes, that is that definitely if it is 2, if it is 2, so swap one mid, nums of one mid, nums of one mid with nums of 2 end, nums of one mid with nums of 2 end. Here guys, 2 end is there, right? So I have to decrease here 2 end, because that position is swapped with 2. 1 2 is gone to the left side, sorry, decrease here. 1 2 is gone to the left side, but we are not supposed to change, we are not incrementing here 1 mid, because maybe that position with 0, those, if at one place, if for suppose what I said, right? uh, for suppose here if it is uh, 1 0, if it is 2 like this, if 1 we have to just ignoring, if it is 2 0, we have sorry, 0 2, if it is 0 like this, take this array, we are swapping this with this, so 0 1 2, again if it is 0, right? So 0, so we have to put this 0 to backside. If we just increment this 0 will here only, so we are not getting any sorted array. If it is 1, then no problem. If it is a 0, then again we have to swap this, take this array, and if it here it is 2, right? We have to swap this to end, we have to take, again we have to do this, right? So I'm not incrementing here mid value. In the case of 2, 1 mid I am not incrementing, I am only decreasing, 2 end. 2 is at the end, right? So okay, now guys, 2 end, okay, just I am returning, it is a void function, right? So we have to tell the compiler our program is over, function is over. Now I am submitting this code, doing for sample test cases. Yeah, for sample test cases it submitted successfully. Now I am doing the final submission. Yes guys, it's submitted successfully. uh, if you have any doubts, please ask me, and please do subscribe my channel. Today's geeks for geeks pivot problem is easy, so I try to give this problem. This is only o of only one loop we are using here, only one loop. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please ask me, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.